Alright, hi, I'm Robert Hammond from Seaguard High School, and for my project I did a sort of shapes demo that's going through basically all of the draw functions in graphics. And originally the project, it was just you loaded it up and it made rectangles, much like this, but it didn't have any of these buttons. And I thought, hey, wouldn't it be fun if we just, did all of them? And so we found that there's the polygon function, which does this. I made a clear button too, just so like you can change it. The ellipse function, which are more like circles, but I guess technically they're ellipses since they're not exactly exact circles. Closed curves, which are fun to do that. And then I made a triangle one because triangles are one of the big fundamental shapes of geometry, but I used that making the polygon function that we did over there. Looks very similar. And then, of course, the titular rectangles. And then there are two different Bezier curve functions, which are this one and this one, which look very similar, but I think the second Bezier curves have more points. And then, of course, the pie shape. How relevant the pie shape is to anything, I don't know, but it is a very amusing shape.
What language were you using?
C#, Visual C# specifically, because we're using Visual Studio 2010. And then, code-wise, it's pretty much a pretty simple program. It's a lot of redundant code, because when I tried to get it all into one void, it didn't work. So I essentially just had to repeat a lot of code. Essentially, it's the same set of color variables, pens, etc. to make lots of points to go do curves and such for polygons. And that's pretty much it.
Thank you very much.